Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Shakirin bin Rozwa and my business partner is Siti Nur Fatihah will be presenting an overview of our mini project DEB 25403 Programming for Engineering. The title of our mini project is Agriculture about Fishing Inventory Management System developed by our business Aqua Pro Sdn Berhad. Business advance, the name of company given is Aqua Pro Sdn Berhad. Address Jalan Batu 7, Pantai Teluk Lipat, 23000 Dungun, Terengganu. This is our phone number 603-250-1105 and our business email is aquapro@gmail.com. Okay, let's go our introduction. Aqua Pro Sdn Berhad is committed to efficient inventory management. Our system ensures smooth operation from inventory tracking to generating invoice and delivery notes. About business, Aqua Pro, a company established in 2022, has quickly become a major player in freshwater aquaculture. Based in Dungun, Terengganu, we focus on providing high quality product and service related to fishing and aquaculture equipment. We use an advanced inventory management system to efficiently track inventory level, streamline order and automate sales and delivery documentation. This system has earned them recognition for improving agriculture practice and efficiency in the industry. Aqua Pro Sdn Berhad priorities sustainability, aiming to implement eco-friendly solutions for a greener future. Their inventory management system offers several benefits: real-time monitoring of stock level for efficient inventory tracking, streamlined order management with easy creation of order invoice, automation of sale invoice and delivery note, reducing manual work and errors, user-friendly interface for easier navigation and effective use by employees. About technology, the inventory management system is implemented using the C program language. First, data structure. The system uses structure to represent inventory, item and invoice information. 2. Array size calculation. It calculates the number of elements in an array using a common C programming technique. This ensures flexibility in case the array size change. 3. Clearing the screen. It uses a function to clear the console screen, which works on both window and unit like system for portability. 4. Function. The system has function for displaying the main menu, inventory and handling invoice. 5. Authentication. A simple password mechanism electric and access to the system. And 6. Inventory management. The system maintains detail of inventory item like name, SKU and others. 7. Functionalities. It can display inventory, generate invoice and handle user input. 8. Input handling. It uses fget bracket to read input from the standard input stream standing. 9. String manipulation. The system uses a function to calculate the length of the initial segment of a string. 10. Additional consideration. While the system appears functional, it should consider aspects like error handling, data validation, and enhanced security for user authentication and password handling.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Fatihah binti Zulkifli and I will represent you the system flowcharts. These flowcharts appears to represent the basic functionality of a fishing inventory management system, specifically for freshwater aquaculture. Here is a description of the different elements in the flowcharts and how they related to each other. Firstly is fishing inventory management system, which is freshwater aquaculture. This is the main system that encompasses all the other feeders. It is specifically designed for managing inventory related to freshwater aquaculture, which is our company selling the supplies of fishing items. And the first one is password. This is likely a security feature that requires the users or the staff to enter a password in order to access the system. The second one is main menu, which is the central hubs of the system where the user can access all the different features and functions. The next one is inventory list, which is this is likely a feature that allows that the users to view a list of all the items in our inventory, which is the supply of the fishing items that we sell to the customer or clients. Besides that, we also have orders invoice, which is this feature may allow the user to generate an invoice for a customer who is purchasing fishing supply or other products from their inventory. And the next one is sale invoice. Similar to the order invoice, this feature may allow the user or the staff to generate an invoice for a customer who has already purchased fish item or the other products and is now leaving the premise. We also have delivery order, which is these features may allow the staff to create an order for delivering fish or other products to a customer. Financial budget. These features may provide an overview of the financial aspect of the business, such as revenue, expenses, and profits. This feature may allow the user to create and manage a budget for the business. The last one, we also have the exit option, which is this is likely an option that allows the user to exit the system and log out. Overall, these flowcharts represent a system that is designed to help user or our staff to manage their inventories, lists, sales, and financial related to freshwater aquaculture. We can navigate through different feathers using the main menu and perform various tasks such as creating invoice, managing inventory, and tracking financial. The system also includes security features such as a password requirement to ensure that only authorized users can access the system. Next, we also have the programming flowcharts. These flowcharts represent the logic and functionality of a fishing inventory management system specifically for our company called AquaPro Sendirian Berhad. Here is a specific explanation of the flowcharts. The flowchart starts with a prompt to enter a password. If the password is incorrect, the message "wrong password" is displayed and the user is asked to enter the password again. If the password is correct, the message "access granted" is displayed and the user is taken to the main menu. The main menu has three options, which is inventory list, order invoice, and sales invoice, and the other one is delivery notes. The users can select an option by entering the corresponding number. So the main menu has 5 options, which is inventory list, order invoice, sales invoice, and also delivery notes and exits. The user can select an option by entering the corresponding number. If the user selects inventory list, this system displays a list of all the items in the inventory, including information such as the name, SKU, description, location, unit, quantity, reorder quantity, inventory value, and reorder needed. The next one is, if the user selects order invoice, the system prompts the user to enter an order reference, payment method, order date, client name, company name, delivery address, phone number, email address, and remarks or special instruction. The user is then prompted to enter the quantity of each product. The system calculates the total amount and display the order reference, payment method, order dates, client name, company name, delivery address, phone number, email address, and remarks or special instruction. It also displays a product list table that includes the product name, quantity, price, and total price. And the next one is if the user selects sale invoice, the system prompted the user to enter an invoice number, issue date, and the quantity of each product. The system calculates the total amount and displays the invoice number, issue dates, company name, delivery address, phone number, email address, and the product list table that includes the product name, quantity, price, and total price. The next option is the flowchart also includes a delivery notes option, which prompted the user to enter the receiver names, company's name, delivery address, phone number, email address, and a remark or special instruction. Finally, the flowcharts include an exit option, which displays the message, "Thank you for using our inventory management system, goodbye," and end the programs. Overall, the flowcharts represent a comprehensive fishing inventory management system that allows users to manage their inventory, create order invoice and sale invoice, and generate delivery notes. The system includes various features to their accurate. Overall, these flowcharts represent a comprehensive fishing inventory management system that allows users to manage the inventory, create orders invoice, sales invoice, and generate delivery notes. The system includes various features to ensure accurate tracking and calculation of inventory levels, quantity, and prices. So for this source code, we include standard IO. The next one is include standard library and also include string. In this source code, we also have function to clear the console string based on the operating system that using the void clear string and the system clear. The next one is we use the structure to represent an inventory item that is type definition structure. In the type definition structure, we use the integer number, character name, character SKU, character description, character location, character unit, integer quantity, integer reorder quantity, float price, float inventory value, and character reorder needed. These all in the inventory item. The next one, we use the structure to hold invoice information. In this, we use the structure invoice info that include character order reference, integer payment method, character order date, character client name, character company name, character address line 1, character address line 2, character phone number, character email address, character remarks, character invoice number, and also character issue dates. And the next one, we use the function to display the main menu. In this, we use the void display menu. We use the for the header, which is inventory management system, and the option, which is the first one is inventory list, the second one is order invoice, the third one is sales invoice, the fourth is delivery note, and the last one is exit. Next one is the function to display the header of the inventory list of management system. In this source code, we use the void display inventory that we bring the header of the inventory list that include our company address and also the dates of our inventory list have been produced. The next one is we use the function to print the inventory list. In this case, we use the void print inventory list, which is inventory items, and integer size. We also printing the header of the inventory list, and we printing each inventory item that needs to include in the table. And the last one, we also printing the footer of the inventory list. The next one is we use the function to input order invoice information to put in order invoice. The first one is void order invoice that struct invoice info multiplier with invoice info. The first one is we used to put the order reference, and then we put the input for payment method, which is credit card, bank transfer, cash on delivery, or online payment transfer. So our customer can choose either one. The next one is input for order dates. We also need to put our order dates of our clients. The next one is we also use the Y gap character, which means to clear the input buffer. In this one, we also use to input for client and company names, delivery address, phone number and email address, and also remarks and special instruction. Besides that, we also use the function to display product list table for order invoice. In this case, we use arrays to store quantities and prices for each product and define the quantities for each product. Next, we also calculate the price in Malaysian ringgit and also a total amount for all products. After that, we print share information from order invoice that have our company address, order invoice, and order reference, payment method, order date, client name, company name, delivery address, phone number, email address, and also remarks and special instruction that we already input in our source code. The next one is we also use the print the product list table for order invoice that we already put the input and show the output of it. Not only that, we also use the function to input sale invoice information that same as the order invoice, which has arrays to store quantities and prices for each product. We also define the quantities for each product. And not only that, we also calculated the price in Malaysian ringgit and total amount for all products. And same with the order invoice, we also print the product list table and information of customer for sale invoice. Also, the last option is delivery note. We also use the function to input the delivery notes information. In this case, we also put the input of receiver and company names, delivery address of receiver, phone number, email address, remarks, or special instruction. In this case also, we use the arrays to store quantities for each product, define the quantity for each product. And the last is we print the product list table and information of customer for delivery notes. And for the main function, we use the welcome message and authentications that use the welcome to our company header and also the password of our source code. We have the limited items, which is just 3, and also we have the sample inventory items that include in the table of our inventory list. We have the main menu loops, which is we can enter our choice to choose our case, which is the first case is display the inventory list, the second one order invoice, The third one, sale invoice. The fourth one is delivery notes, and the last one is exits. For the exits one, we use the message which is thank you for using our inventory management system. Goodbye. And the last one, we have the prompted to go back to the menu, which is press E to go back to the menu. So if our staff or myself press E of the capital letters or not, then we go back to our main menu options. If not, it's use the invalid input and exiting. So it's clear screen and we'll do the return 0.
Okay, now we gonna through the result. After we done the source code, the result will display a password authentication process and a menu driven interface for user interaction. And after user key in the password, result will show menu to inventory management system, which is inventory list, or the invoice, sale invoice, delivery note, and exit. And then if user want to choose inventory list, press 1 and enter to display inventory list, and here look like 10 items our business already in order. And if user want go back, press E to the menu. Next, for order invoice, press 2 for display the order invoice, and the output will show payment method for choosing. And we should input the client detail and input the quantity for each product for client order. And then the display will show the result of order invoice our client. And then if user want to choose sale invoice, press 3 and enter to display sale invoice, and user should input the quantity for each product. And then display will show the result of sale invoice our client. If want to go back, press E to the menu. Next, for delivery note, press 4 for display the order delivery note, and the output will show if want to go back menu, press E. And lastly, press 5 the exit, and the display will show our final source code inventory management system. Now let's go our financial budget. About our financial budget, a financial budget presentation is a document that outline a company financial plan for a specific period of time. It typically includes an estimate of the company's income and expense, both operating and non-operating, and provide actual budget. Now we go through our conclusion. Creating the inventory management system for Aqua Pro Sdn Bhd has given us valuable insight into how technology intersects with agriculture and business. The rise of aquaculture fueled by technology has enhanced the importance of effective inventory management in agriculture. Aqua Pro, established in 2022, has embraced this change and become a key player in freshwater aquaculture. Focusing on quality and efficiency, the inventory management system powered by C programming language has become a critical tool for Aqua Pro business operation. It effectively tracks inventory, streamline order, and automate sales processes. Aqua Pro dedication to sustainability further solidifies its leadership in industry. Technologically, the C code used demonstrate proficiency in key programming concepts, facilitating seamless workflow and ensuring data security. While functional, the system could benefit from enhancement like error handling and improved user authentication. Overall, this project has deepened our understanding of how technology and business collaborate in agriculture, with AquaPro leading the way in innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. So, we gonna go for our reference. One, Kifra and the inventory management system for aquaculture, and 2, JavaPoint and the streams function in C, and 3, Gigs for Gig 2023 June 6, FGET and GETS in C language. For Dionysia Lemonaki 2022 December 5, how to find the size of an array in C with the size of operator. And 5, Bhupender Yadav 2022 March 29, string input and output function in C. And lastly, Robert Durboro Sindata Daspurta 2009 April Small Scale Marketing of Aquaculture Product. So that's all for our presentation, and thank you for enjoying our video. Thank you.
That's all from me. Thank you and bye.